Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my 3 slimes, so let's get into it. Here's my first one, and it came in this cute little container. There it is. And there's lotion in this. It's really glossy, it's really have a nice color and real nice crunchy. Let's get into the next one. And I'll show you them at the end. Show you my other video, next video. Here's it. See, it's nice. Showing my last slime. Send it. And in the next video, I will show you all my slimes. So that has the ribbons in there. Blue. Really nice. I'll be right back.
You just need to add Finish Jet Dry in the rinsing compartment. It's there for a reason. It dries much better than detergent alone.
Sorry, dishwasher.
Finish Jet.
Look, a set of fruit.